Chief Guest is Mr. T. Srinivas Rao. I just want to talk a few words. Right now, Mr. T. Srinivas Rao is working as an director for Mylan. He is based at Bangalore. Few words, sir. Actually, I worked at most of the people who are here, except Praveen sir. Maybe I may get a chance in future. I don't know. I know everyone as such. Okay, sir, please.
Thank you, Ram. వందనం అభివందనం సభకు మనమందరం ఒకే చెట్టు కమ్మదాం, ఒకే గూటి గువ్వలు. ప్యాకేజింగ్ గురించి నేనేం చెప్పనండి, అందరూ ప్రసాద్ గారు చెప్పారు, గణేష్ గారు చెప్పారు, ప్రవీణ్ గారు చెప్పారు. నేను చెప్తే డిఫరెంట్గా చెప్పాలి, చెప్తారా? డెఫినెట్గా. నాకు గత సంవత్సరం వరకు జేఎన్జీపీ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఉందని తెలుసు, కానీ దీనిలో ప్యాకేజింగ్ ఉంది, ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారని నాకు తెలియదు. వాస్తవంగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే నేను కూడా ప్యాకేజింగ్ మీలా కాకుండా ఉద్యోగం చేస్తూ నేర్చుకున్నవాడిని. ఐఎమ్ ఎంటైర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫీల్డ్. I love this. First of all, I would like to convey my gratitude and full support to the core team who make this event success. Today we are here. Head of the department, Venkateswara garu చెప్పారు, 96లో ఆ బ్యాచ్ ఎంత కష్టాలు పడ్డారు. అప్పుడు తెలియదు మనకి ప్యాకేజింగ్ అంటే. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తున్నాను, తమ్ముళ్ళు చెల్లెళ్ళు అందరూ మనమందరం ఒకే గుడ్డి గువలం కాబట్టి ప్యాకేజింగ్ అంటే ఎక్కడే లేదు. చండీ ప్రసాద్ గారు చెప్పినట్టు మనలోనే ఉంది ప్యాకేజింగ్. నేచర్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్ ప్యాకేజింగ్ టెక్నాలజిస్ట్. మేము అప్పుడప్పుడు చెబుతూ ఉంటాం ఏంటి అనేది. అందరూ ఇప్పుడు కూడా ప్యాకేజింగ్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. చూడండి, రకరకాల దుస్తులతో ఉన్న చెల్లెళ్ళు తమ్ముళ్ళు అందరూ డిఫరెంట్గా ప్యాకేజ్ ఇచ్చాం. ప్యాకేజింగ్ ఎక్కడా లేదు. ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మేము నేర్చుకున్నాము, మీరు నేర్చుకోబోతున్నారు. నా తోటి మిత్రులు అందరూ కూడా నాకు తెలిసి ముందు లీడర్ కంటే నేను ముందు వాళ్ళతో చాలా సన్నిహితంగా మెలగాలని కోరుకునేవాడిని. జేఎన్జీపీ కూడా ఇట్లాంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ని వెలుగు తీస్తుందని తెలిసి నిజంగా రామ్ శ్రీనివాస్ అని ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తే తప్పకుండా వచ్చి గెస్ట్గా కాకుండా ఒక మిత్రుడిగా షేర్ చేసుకుంటా అని చెప్పాను. ఎందుకంటే ఈ కాలేజీలో ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు, లేదంటే జయసింహ గారు, వెళ్ళిపోయిన మేడం గారు, వీళ్ళందరూ ఎంత కష్టాలు పడాలో తెలుసు. కానీ ప్యాకేజింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఒకప్పుడు మాత్రం అభిప్రాయం ఉంది ఏంటి అంటే ఓన్లీ ఐఐపీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అని. నేను ఎవరిని కించపరచట్లేదు, అప్పుడు తెలియదు ఎవరికి. మనకి నిజంగా మీరు ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ బ్యాచ్ థర్డ్ బ్యాచ్ కానీ పడ్డ కష్టాలు ఎవరికి తెలియదు. ఇందాక సార్ చెప్పారు, ఇప్పటికీ వాడు కొంతమంది ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ ఉన్నారు. ప్రవీణ్ గారు ఇచ్చిన ప్రోత్సాహంతో ఆయన ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ అయ్యారు, కొంతమంది చేస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు మనం అందరూ ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్గా కలుసుకొని ఎంతమంది అయితే ఇప్పుడు అభివృద్ధిలో ఉన్నారు, ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్న తమ్ముళ్ళు చెల్లెలకి ఎంత భవిష్యత్తును మనం మార్గదర్శకంగా ఇవ్వగలుగుతున్నాం అనేది ముఖ్యం. నేను నిజంగా అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ లోగో మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు. ఇందాక చెప్పారు రామ్ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు కానీ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కానీ, మీరు చేసుకున్న లోగోలోని జేఎన్జీపీ చెట్టు ఇది ఒక ప్యాకేజింగ్ వృక్షం. వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు ది పీపుల్ హూ వర్క్ ఆన్ దిస్ వన్. The symbolic representation of the unique of the JNGP. నేను వృత్తిపరంగా ఇప్పుడు ప్యాకేజింగ్ ఉన్నా కానీ వ్యక్తిపరంగా ఈ సబ్జెక్టు సంబంధించిన వాడిని కాదు. I made my doctoral program in virology, but unfortunately I'm very happy to continue in packaging technologies as a friend of you, as a senior colleague to you in the industry, and I will be allowed to continue in the same thing. But definitely with my knowledge, and I would like to encourage the people like you guys and the coming youth also. Packaging is a very passionate subject which is given by Chandi Prasad, Praveen and Ganesh. The people who is coming from other industry, they don't think that they are also on the top of the edge. Where the lacking is that selling of yourself. I am telling you a tip to you, whether you know or don't know, but the basic fundamentals are required. Why the other people are getting enhancement in the industry and choosing? First is that show your potential. Sell yourself in the market, then choose your whatever you are going to deliver. but without having the basics is very difficult to survive in the industry. Only one thing I request the people, maybe most of the people know me in the industry as a friend. Today I here as a guest. Making all these things to success as a old students yourself and giving guidance to the younger this maybe what Mr. Chandri Prasad said. IIP people, he is going to judicious balancing in the department. I feel, yes, definitely I will give the importance to the people who is having the caliber to suit that one, but judicially we also maintain the same balance. Not only the 4:12 or 5:12, 1:1, but I request you people will take that courage and lead your life with a passion of the packaging. Where life cycle management has been given an example by Mr. Chandri Prasad, it is also involved in our lives. And chase that your happiness and share that your sadness, like Praveen Kumar said that as an entrepreneur is faced with difficulties. Nothing is impossible in this world. Whether you are a packaging technologist, whether you are an engineering graduate, whether you are an other graduate, everything is with us. Definitely we will get the good success if you are having that type of passion to lead the life in the packaging technologist. Whether it is industry, whether in the subject of the social environment. I came to know that a lot of the banners in the banner, most of the organization names are the only pharma. Because I feel that most of the people are working in the pharma. Ganesh just said that from JNGP most of the people are coming to the pharma industry. Packaging is not only pharma, please. I think Nagesh said that today the cost of the packaging industry is going in the 15%. The total, and the Asian Federation and the World Federation of the Bank given that $525 billion is the worth of the cost of the packaging today what we are looking. And the Asian Federation given that in our southern region, maybe in Asia Pacific region, it is going to 29 to 30 billion dollars. It is not a huge amount. If you are looking for this specifically, I have just gone to the FDA site yesterday. The Congressional Business Fund, the Beneficial Fund of the FDA given that pharma is only 8 to 9 billion dollars. Don't restrict yourself to go into the only pharma. Pharma is a maybe passion today. The packaging is their entire world. I request the people to choose the opportunities in other industry in FMCG. And the people are, most of the people are interested in only development. Development is not only the packaging. Other units are also there, like quality testing, quality assurance, maybe the other branches of the also will deal with the packaging. Most of the people requested me, sir, I am working in QC, why can't you give me the opportunity in development? Ask the question, what do you feel the difference between the QC and the development? No, development means I can develop my own things. What you are going to do in the QC? Sir, what is boring, sir? That is a laminate, this is the bottle, that is the... Don't feel that the difference between I should only this. If you want to grow yourself and an opportunity you can create on your own, whether it is a QC or the QA or the manufacturing. I have seen the people in the production line, the people having the packaging technologies, running on the lines, taking the pride and taking the in charge in some of the organizations, and the bigger organization becoming as a head of the department of the manufacturing. And he is shown that his caliber, he's identified himself as a unique from the packaging background. Just giving a suggestion to you, all of you. And I don't know that I'm definitely giving the oath as an industry expert or the senior people. I can give the assurance to the faculty, to the JNGP. Definitely will be taking care of the people, the Tamulu, Chellelu. If you have the good opportunity and where you can fit, definitely will be taking into the consideration for your career growth. And definitely as a friend, a senior friend or a senior colleague, definitely will be with you always. Don't miss that. We are only from industry, we are not going to take care. I only request the people all the wearing the t-shirts and the other people on the other side, differentiation from the same branch and the same college. These people are the seniors and having a lot of exposure and experience. Today with this good alumina and having a good stage here, you people have to guide these juniors where they have to choose their career and which leads to the best career from your footsteps, as well as the experience and exposure with the help of the faculty and the help of the other senior fellows or the people, my senior colleagues, who can guide them in a better direction. So I request, take this opportunity as a gathering, as a friends, I request and lead into the different life by having the passion. If you're not having, nobody is going to survive. Definitely I'm saying that you should have the passion. I see in that, I am not commenting that, I see in that why the IIP people only getting success. It's not the matter of the JNG people are not having the caliber and the potency or the knowledge. I see in the people where you can sell yourself in the market, then definitely you are going to get into the right route. That is happening. And what I have observed also, the IIP people, they are inviting each every year when their batches are going to close that, whether for the project, whether for the opportunity in the industry, IIP people are, the faculty people are having the good connection with the industry, and the senior people like us, they are giving an opportunity to meet the people to select and give them a better route in the beginning steps also. So in the same way, you people should give the experience to the juniors, and you people should introduce to the industry. The route is that I am humbly requesting the staff of the JNGP, even though it is a government college, if you want to really show the pathway to all the junior people, please coordinate. Maybe I will be all the part of that coordination. Please coordinate with the industry and giving an opportunity, take that, making an alumni like that for the first batches as a project or other thing, whatever it is going to. But it is a basic root step you can create with the industry, and let them take that pride and the next career growth opportunities for the next followers. So that is the way we can success. Success is within our hand. How the packaging in the nature, success is in our hand. Don't think that senior people only studied IIP, they got that one. I studied distance education. Chandi Prasad, he is having the vast knowledge in the packaging. He worked in the QC and QA. He led the NACO department more than 8 to 10 years as a QA head. Today he is a packaging head. With my knowledge, Ganesh, who sits on the stage, is also basically, we don't have the packaging technology at that moment. He's a basic graduate. Am I correct, sir? And Praveen, because at that Praveen, when he started, he knows there is a course of the opportunity, we can study some good technique in IIP, he studied, and as a basic, having the knowledge in IIP, he has mattered into the JNGP and the initial days of the JNGP packaging technologies. He's helped a lot of things by knowing today, and with the senior people who faced their problems in the early days. But don't consider all these things. Only we have to go for the packaging? No. You take it as a packaging as a passion. Otherwise, you are not going to success. I request, I don't want to tell anything in the channel, and I want to reach the people very cordially. Please, I am welcoming many people. I have that much as association. Please reach me at any moment where we can help and your career can build up. Because our career is maybe the senior people, Praveen and Ganesh and Chandi Prasad, where we have, maximum we have the life of the lead, maybe next 5 to 10 years. But you are the pillars. You have to take this, the JNGP packaging into the world, where industry can really choose and best, where the caliber has to be delivered, where the confidence of the packaging can be delivered, where the needs there is there, where your career growth is there, to grab at least 10% of the packaging requirement in the globe through this JNGP. Take that lead and make your career lives better by choosing and having the good association and taking the good and bad experience from your seniors and with their industry help. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to give, because I feel that we are here as a friends, senior friends, junior friends and our colleagues. Maybe I respect the faculty. I took that, why can't you give this in a different way? Because now I'm very happy these people are taking a logo itself, the different, yes, definitely. And one more thing, just I have seen that one, Santosh Kumar Reddy. That is he? Yes. I am very thankful to you, Mr. Dost. You came from the Nigeria. See, the interest, I don't know whether he is really planned for this one, whether there is this one, other thing. But he is having the zeal to come here to meet the old friends. That is required in everyone. I very much congratulate Mr. Santosh Kumar, first student having the good life and the leading life, and you can cherish your memorable moments with your junior friends and sisters and brothers. Finally, I will take this opportunity to end with a small Telugu poem which can makes you the delight and which can really makes you the our lives easy if you follow this. వందనం అభివందనం సుందరం బహుసుందరం మనమందరం ఒకే చెట్టు కొమ్మలం ఈ కలయికతో అయ్యాము ఒకే గూటి గువ్వలం రేపటికి సన్నద్ధమవుతూ ఈ రోజుని అనుభవించు భవిష్యత్తు కోసం ఏ చీకటి చెరపలేని కలలను కను చెదిరిన కళలను చేయి కలిపి సాధించు జీవితాశయంతో స్నేహ జీవితాన్ని పెంచు తడి కన్నులను తుడువు ఒడిదొడుగుల్లో నేస్తమై నిలువు నాకున్న వయసుతో దేవుడున్నాడో లేడో చెప్పడం కంటే ఉన్న అనుభవంతో ప్రతి పూజకు ఒక విలువగా ప్రతి కష్టానికి ఫలితంగా ఉంటుందని చెబుతూ స్వచ్ఛ ఖచ్చితత్వంతో నిక్కచ్చిగా కష్టే ఫలిగా సాగుతూ శిలవై కరిగి చరిత్రకు సాక్షిగా నిలువు స్నేహమై మెలిగి ఆకాశం హద్దుగా సూర్య చంద్రుడుగా వెలుగు. I take this opportunity and wishing you all the people who can cherish, who can make your life with our help. We are all with you and as a senior colleagues in the industry where we can give the guidance and best of our knowledge. I am very much thankful to you and giving a great honor. And once again, I congratulate all the core and the members of this team who organized this event to make it success and make it as an annual or the biannual, but cherish and make the other people guidance with your experience. I know that front seat people, senior people who is going to entrepreneurship and maybe leading some of the companies in the great way. All the people also, I maybe wish the people who is taking care of this, they can grab the good opportunity in different organizations. Again, I wish all the best, all the people, and thanks once again.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సార్ నన్ను మాట్లాడలేదు ఇందాక. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఆయన ఒక కంపెనీకి డైరెక్టర్, అట్ ద సేమ్ పాయింట్ హీఈస్ అ గుడ్ పోయట్ అని చెప్పబోతున్నాను. హీ స్టాప్డ్ మీ. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ వాస్ థింకింగ్ టు ఎండ్ యువర్ స్పీచ్ విత్ సమ్ గుడ్ పోయట్రీ, బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్. సార్ మనసులో అనుకున్నాను, మీరు చేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అలాట్ సార్. సార్ నిలబడి ఒక కవిత్వాన్ని అలా రాసేస్తారు, ఒక మనిషి గురించి కానీ ఒక ప్యాకేజింగ్ గురించి కానీ. ఈ జస్ట్ లైక్స్ లైక్ దట్. అట్లా కలం ఆయనకి అలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అండ్ వాక్ చాతుర్యం అనేది అమోఘం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్. ఓకే, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ అవర్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ టు కమ్.